Elementary School is not only known here in the district of Davao Central, not only in Davao City Division, not only in Region 11, but nationwide because of its talents and its accomplishment. Again, I wish to congratulate each and every one of you. Not only in cultural activities wherein the Magallanes Elementary School is being known, but in every aspect, Magallanes is there to show. And I'm very glad, being the district supervisor of Davao Central District, that Magallanes is a part of the district. And whatever honor you are bringing to your school is an honor for the district and the division of Davao City and the Davao City populace. Kaya sa inyo mga magulang, ipinaparating ko rin ang aking taos-pusong pagbati sa inyong patuloy na pagtulong, patuloy na pagbibigay ng inyong suporta sa lahat ng mga activities sa Magallanes Elementary School. At inaasahan ko na ngayon ang naging simula at ito ay ipagpapatuloy. And I would like to commend all the teachers who played the important role in bringing this presentation here at SM Mall. Hindi, kagaya ng sabi ko, hindi lahat ay nabibigyan ng pagkakataon. So this is an honor and privilege of you, my dear students, you participants, to be here at SM Mall just to show everything that you have learned in Magallanes during the workshop. And again, I would like to say thank you to all the teachers who really made this occasion very successful, and to all the parents that up to this place from the school and up to SM, they are with their children just to see how wonderful their children who will be showing their talents here in front. So again, I wish to extend my congratulations to all of you, and may God bless us all.
That was an interesting message, ma'am. Thank you very much. Are you familiar with Francis M. and Andrew E? They are our country's known rappers. Our own students are good in rapping themselves. They are our future Francis M. and Andrew E. Here they are, the Magallanes rappers!
He makes his flour and bakes his bread, cakes and cookies for always in his head. The baker's labor was a different thing, not work or money didn't have to spend. Small pressures of life, the life instead, not breathing in fragrance of the newly baked bread. Early each morning for up the shop, on baker's table he bagged his stuff. Baker, he got a piece of gold and dreams of riches and flour and soul. The rest of what's happened, you will know if you read the story, how it'll go, then share it with other country of a baker and his neighbor on the fragrance of bread.
Classmates, all by the teaching. Classmates, fresh as the morning air. Robbers! One world that is shared by two. We are all together. Let's get it started in Him. 1, 2, 3, come on.
Hey, my brothers, let's have a game. We'll give you word, you'll say the name.
But like it, the class from the
do you think? What do you think is worth learning?
What's worth knowing? What's worth learning? Have you ever think over this thing? Go start a drink. For me, the R important thing. R is everything. Hello, everybody. What does it mean? Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah, yeah. Reading, reading. Is it with the prize army? That's reading. Is it best with the ball army?
Agree without thinking?
No, we're all green. That is not his writing, it's cheap. Arachnoid is the last of it. Win. Hello people, now and however, all this not enough. Not enough, my friend. Oh. Let's check the day of time and economy. Ouch. My body's back again. I say the next word and you say something. Fuck off. What do you think? Do you think it means darum? As important as she are skills, all these 21st century. 21st century, right now on 21st century. Well. Hey yo, computers are exciting to me as exciting as it seems to be. These two people looking for the weather research Yup.
Computer is for questions, extracting, gaining, fast, and you know it. Computer is the base technology that all possesses everything. Not a game, you think maybe, but to tell us in them, set us free.
Yeah. I know discipline demands some skills. Needed to change paradigm. Change paradigm. Go. Business survive. We must survive. Can you still compete? We need to compete. We must compete. No, but we need an healer. Because we need an healer. All we need an healer. Laboratory.
All courses to make it easy, learn computer, easiest way, learn computer, easiest way.
And my little chummy, they should say it's ICT pornography. Well. A transient teacher with value-driven still. Yeah. Everybody, evolution money, save me. For all no good now, sweet porno. So kids say no to porno. Not to porno.
Watch go and cause a living, so let us all live a life worth living, worth living.
Bravissimo. This is the deserve. Our values well. This is the deserve. Our values well. I'm a teacher, make my learning modically trained for basic trend.
Please teach me the proper utilization, whatever worldwide information, use it towards the development of my communication.
Hey, my body's back again. I say this word, you say the name. You love the phone and say the name. Whoa. What is word education mean?
Let me discover my full potential and continue searching on.
Make me multi-skilled and move on. Make me multi-talented and move along. Prepare me as a member of locally competing. To manipulate, hardware, and software will develop my ability. Let's adopt the change of life. Let's try. For all, computer literacy in our society. So be it. Develop skill and knowledge effort. Work to analyze and shape.
Enable me to gain advantage and globally competitive.
Let's